Challenger SRT Demon 170.
Dodge's Last Call Fuel Muscle Cars is a street legal drag racer that rolls out of the factory with the ability to reach 0 to 60 in 1.66 seconds. The Demon 170 is one of the quickest among the production cars ever built. This car is equipped with a 3.0-liter supercharged V8 that draws air through a throttle body big enough to inhale your ops, and the fuel injectors can flow up to 164 gallons per hour. This Last Call Special Edition 170 is already banned in its stock form by the NHRA for dominating the time on a prep drag strip. 8.91 seconds ET at 151 miles per hour. Featuring the first ever 1000 plus horsepower production Hemi engine, this is the ultimate version of the Demon. There will not be a bigger, badder version of the Challenger other than this one. It makes 945 pounds-feet of torque. That's all running on E85. The words "alcohol injected" are etched on the hood scoop's bezel. The name 170 comes from E85, being 85% alcohol, or 170 proof in the world of liquor. The interior is designed with nice-looking Red Laguna leather, Red Laguna performance seats with logo, and Red Laguna door trim panel. The eye of the 170 badge is yellow, representing ethanol coming from corn.
I don't know. I'm definitely not feeling the new badge. Y'all feeling it?
Dodge made sure to not hold back and go out with a bang by giving all the people what they want: more power. It's also equipped with stock carbon fiber Mickey Thompson drag racing tires. And for those drag racing junkies, you can customize the 170 by adding the rear parachute. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to DN Revs channel for more awesome automotive content.